Assalamualaikum beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today we are gonna make a cabbage curry. Yep, so this is the vegetable, it's my favorite one. So here I took one big whole cabbage and it's chopped right now. So here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of chili paste, two medium size of onion which is sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 3 medium size of tomatoes which is chopped. So let's start making it. First of all, we have to heat up the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we have to heat up the oil and then fry the cumin. We have to saute it a little bit. Now it's getting brown. We will add the onion. So now saute it for like 5 minutes. So now we will add the ginger garlic paste. Now green chili paste, turmeric powder, little bit water. Now we will saute it. So now the red chili powder, and cumin powder, so now as you can see it's getting like so thick, like a paste. So now we will add the tomatoes. So now I'm adding here a little bit water, and now we have to cook it on low flame. Cover it for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm mashing the tomatoes. We are cooking on a medium flame. Mash the tomatoes like this. So we will make the gravy. So now here I'm adding the whole cabbage. Now we will mix it. Salt, 1 teaspoon or as per your taste. So now after mixing it up, we will cook it on the medium low flame and we will cover it. So now after 5 minutes, as you can see, it's getting tender. We will saute it more. Now again I am covering it up. Again we will cover it and cook it on the low flame. Now it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna remove the lid, and now in the end firstly stir it a little bit. So now it's time to add the allspice powder in the end. And some green chilies. Mix it again. Now we are cooking on the high flame because it's almost done. Everything is perfectly mixed now. So now we will simmer it for like 2 minutes on the low flame. This is our final result of cabbage curry, and it's so yummy in taste, so tasty. You're really gonna love this recipe. Whenever you try this recipe in your home, just tell me your experience. How's it? Do you like it? We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.